Welcome back to SMC Tutors. Today I'll show you how to track Polymarket whale predictions using PolyalertHub. But before we get to continue, if you find the content helpful, do you want to buy educational token Wiki Cat? It is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address is in the description of this video. Let's get started. All you need is your Web3 based wallet. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using my OKX Web3 wallet. Click on my wallet and I go over to the Explore and click on Poly alert hub.xyz. Confirm it's the right one. Let's confirm if it's the right one. Okay, it is actually polyalerthub.com, and we go to the website and always confirm it's from their verified social pages. So this is it. You click on get started and you have to create an account first. Your account is created on the Poly Alert Hub. This is the dashboard. You could get to find alert overview, alert you've set, and top performance. Now this is how to create an alert. So all you need to do is go to the whale trades and look for the whales that are trading. So I could use number 6 and click on him. You could actually open him on Polymarket officially, but nah, that's not what you want to do for now. So you just need to use the market alert feature. So you could set your custom alert first. So you just go through him and check everything you love. You could see how far he has been. Market traded 279, net profit 416,000 USD. So you could see that he's actually profitable. You view his P&L analytics and his achievement too. And let's go back still to the whale trade, and you could check on any whale you want. Now on how to set your market alert, all you need to do is go to the custom. You could click on create market alert, and the alert will trigger. Click on create alert. Let me get to verify my mail, send verification email. So verified my mail, just click on confirm verification. You can see my email have been successfully verified. Then you could now create an alert, probably all new market, add an alert. This alert will trigger when the new market is being added. Now you could also create a whale alert now to any whale you want to. So let's say a very custom one. I'll probably use the simple one because you need your categories to be simple. Or any specific market at all, probably on BTC. Let's use on BTC. Will micro, yeah. And this is a custom order type by outcome, yes, and you click on it. But you need the pro version for this to actually continue on Polymarket. So that's how you create, you set your alert, be it the market alert or the well alert, or you could also use the price alert and create an alert for pricing. So you could select the market you want. I could still choose on BTC, and will El Salvador. Just create an alert for this outcome here, and you could also enter the price, let's say 0.999 and above, or probably below, and you're supposed to click the create alert. But I guess that's the pro feature, but it's very much easy to track Wells prediction with this. So like I said, from the Wells trade, you could go through the Wells trade so far and the top traders here, and you could click on them and watch who their insight on how far they have made and how far they have lost here. And you could go through some categories here. They have good features in here for quick filters, easy wins, or hidden gems. And just probably go into creating a well alert, like I said, and you view past whale trades to know who is good and what's the trade on, and probably and you actually now create your alert on a specific market, and you could choose BTC or ETH, Ethereum up or down, and you could create an alert. You get to receive the alert directly from your email address. So whale movement isn't 100% guarantee. It's just a market sentiment. Always double check the market resolution rules and the liquidity of those particular markets before coming in, because what whales do is they provide signals but not certainty. And that's all for now. So if this tutorial helped you, make sure you like the video, share it with someone who needs it, drop a comment and subscribe to SMC Tutor